Have you ever faced an application error while browsing? It often feels frustrating. Today, we will explore client-side exceptions and how they affect your online experience. A client-side exception occurs in your web browser. It happens due to issues with the code running on your device. This could be JavaScript or related technologies. When this error occurs, the application may not work as expected. Let's break down what this means. First, a web application relies on code to function. This code runs in your browser. If there's an error in that code, the application breaks. You may see a message like, "Application error. A client-side exception has occurred." What can you do when this happens? First, check the browser console for more information. To access it, right-click on the page and select Inspect. Then go to the Console tab. You will find detailed error messages that can help. For example, you might see a missing file or a function that didn't load correctly. Understanding these messages can help you inform website support. In summary, client-side exceptions disrupt your browsing experience. They stem from issues in the web application's code. Checking the browser console is the first step toward resolving these problems. If you encounter an error, follow these steps: check the console, inform support, and be patient as they fix it. Next time you face such an error, remember this guide. It will help you navigate client-side exceptions more effectively.